Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome to back a brand new video once again. As you can see, right now we're staying in a very much tremendous place. Truly speaking, right now we're staying at a wedding ceremony. And as you can see, beside us, there is a groom. And truly speaking, he is very special person in this ceremony. But for the very first time of this video, I'd like to give a brand new opportunity to my dear sister Maliha to share your feelings and thoughts as well as something introduction. Please.
So guys, happy wedding and I'm celebrating it. As you can see right now, I'm sitting here. Can you guess that where I'm right now? If you tell me, so I'll give you a lot of gifts. So guys, right now here is my cousin and also there is group. Can you guess also? And I'm celebrating for a lot of times, but right now I'm not confused and so delighted. You also think that it is not correct for me, but I think that these are an amazing task for me. That's why I'm speaking as well as I'm having fun today.
Okay, thank you so much, my dear sister Maliha, for sharing your thoughts and feelings. Truly speaking, guys, it's our cousin ceremony, and he is our honorable guest in this ceremony as well. So that's why we are so happy, please. What's your name? Raihan. Okay, so our guest name is Raihan. He's a very special person. He came from about, you can say 20 or 30 kilometers far away. So we are very special, and in this ceremony, we are having really great times this morning, and it's afternoon time, sorry, evening time right now. That's why today we are once again here. And truly speaking, we have a lot of delicious foods like pulao, rice, beef, mutton, chicken, and so much more that I can't express in a single sentence. So, my sister Maliha would like to share with our lovely audience, are you really happy with this wedding ceremony?
I won't say so long because you feel so boring. So guys, I will tell a little bit that it was incredible.
Okay, thank you so much, my dear sister Maliha. So, my dear audience, I don't want to make this video so longer. So, kindly like, comment, and share this video to follow Muwaj English to get the next new important video. Please pray for our bride and groom so that they can live longer, happy life with their family. Thank you so much. Please pray for us. To be honest, guys, right now, as you can see, we are at the wedding ceremony, and here so many people are eating delicious foods like beef, pulao, rice, even chicken, and so much more. Truly speaking, as you can see, I am right now here with my dear sister Maliha. So we are really so much happy in this ceremony because it's our own kind of ceremony, and we are having a lot of fun since last 2 days. Truly speaking, Maliha, are you really so much happy with this?
Really guys, I'm so much happy.
Okay, thank you so much, my dear sister Maliha, for sharing your thoughts and feelings. Truly speaking, guys, through this you can understand that we are practicing our spoken English through making this type of English vlog video. As well as we're trying our best to improve our spoken English. See you later on a new video. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a good day.